So how do you upload a file in a shared Google Drive link, right? So there are a few things you should know. Let's get started. First of all, if you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you can only upload files to folders which are shared through the Google Drive link. If somebody shares with you just one file, then of course you don't have any place to upload it, right? But also, there are more things that you need to pay attention to as well. So if you have the link, you might be able to open it up like this. And if you don't see the option to upload it, then there might be some reasons for it, right? For example, you might open up the link that somebody shares with you, but you can only view the photos. And the reason for it is very specific. When that other person was sharing your files with you, they got to decide what the person or anyone with a link can do, right? And there are the options of viewer, commenter, and editor, right? So if you're set to just the viewer, then you can only check out those photos, right? Or the folder, whatever that is. The commenter can obviously comment, and the editor, only if the link has been selected with the editor options, only then you have the ability to upload files to a folder through the Drive link, right? So if you do not see the plus button for uploading, that is very likely the reason why, right? Most likely because the permissions are simply not set up that way. So let me know if I managed to explain it properly, right? Hopefully it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one. And I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.